Hi everybody, welcome to the Best of Cat series from IMS. Let's have a look at the next question on algebra. As usual, pause the video, try to solve the question and then we will have a look at the solution. Let's have a look at the question. They have told us that A, B, C, D are integers. Integers can be positive and negative both. And they have told us A plus B plus C plus D is 30. Then what is the minimum possible value for A minus B the whole square plus A minus C the whole square plus A minus D the whole square? So when I was looking at this question and I was thinking of the best way to teach it, I thought let me just first understand the question for only two variables. So what if there was a question like this, say A plus B is 30 and they've asked us only for what is A minus B the whole square's minimum value. Now think, they have told us A and B both are integers. So in that case, the minimum value for A minus B will be possible when A will be equal to B. Because if A is equal to B, A minus B will become 0 and 0 square will be 0, right? If A was equal to B was equal to 15, this answer would have come 0, right? So now in this case, what will happen? Again, the same logic has to apply. I know that A, B, C, D are integers. A plus B plus C plus D has to be 30. Then what is the minimum value for A minus B the whole square plus A minus C the whole square plus A minus D the whole square? Now the only problem in this case is 30 is not divisible by 4. If I divide 30 by 4, I get a 7.5, right? So, but 7.5 is not an integer, so I can't take that. So I now need to take the values in such a way that they are as close as possible, but they are integers. So what are the different values you can think of? So if you take 3 of them 7, that will be, and 1 would become 9. Can you get closer than that? Yes, you can get closer than that. So you can take two values as say 8. So you can take A and B as 8, that is 8 to the 16. 14 is left off and C and D you can take as 7. Anyway, that is on each side of 7.5, one integer will be 7 and the other will be 8. Right? So exactly now take these values and just put it in the equation which we want. So what have we got? A minus B the whole square. A minus B will become 0, 0 square is 0. A minus C will be 1, so 1 square, and A minus D will also be 1, so 1 square. Answer will be 2. And that is the minimum value of this function or the expression, whatever you want to call it. Understand, in a lot of these maxima minima questions, most of the time the values occur which are equal or the best possible thing. So if you had tried this with A plus B was 15, you would have understood this well. A plus B is 15. So which means A and B cannot be 7.5 and 7.5. You have to take one as 7 and the other as 8. Well, instead of 30, if we had this as 32, then the answer would have come 0 because we could have taken each of them as 8, 8, 8, 8 and the answer would have been 0. But either ways, always try to take a smaller expression in your for the example for a similar thing and just try it. It always makes life that much easier. As usual, try and solve the next question on your own and answer in the comment box.